So we launched our newest model, Claude 3.5 Sonnet, last Thursday, and it also comes with artifacts, which is effectively a split screen for Claude to be able to show you its code on the right-hand side while you're prompting it on the left-hand side. So we can take it for a spin and maybe build out a game. I figured backgammon would have been a fun game to code, so I will add in the screenshot of the instructions from Wikipedia, and we'll see if Claude can deliver executable code for a web app for me to play against it. The reason why I chose backgammon is because I've seen a lot of cool demos of people building simple counting games or tic-tac-toe, which are awesome, but I figured I wanted to see Claude be able to create a game that was a little bit more complex. And with backgammon in particular, it's a two-person strategy game where there is a dice, so there is an area of variability or luck involved, and Claude can't just do an explicit look ahead or tree search computation, so I thought that could be kind of a fun variability. So the code is right here, and it's done, and we can see the preview is actually incorrect, but that's okay because we can give Claude an image of how the starting position should look like, and make sure that the board is regulation. So we'll let Claude go back to coding and see if it could regenerate this in a way that makes more sense. And I'm sure a lot of you have played backgammon before, but just a refresher for those of you who don't know. For backgammon, it should be a 12 by 12 spoke on the top and bottom, of which the movement path for the top board is counterclockwise, and the movement path for the bottom board is clockwise. Not just that, but starting position matters. So it goes in 5 and 5, 3 and 3, 5 and 5, and 2 and 2 on indices 13, 17, 19, and 24. So let's see if Claude finished coding, and it has. And so, okay, it gives us the indices at the top here. So we are, yes, 5, 3, 5, 2. Awesome. So let's try and play this game. So I'm white. I have to move 1 and 5. So what I can effectively do is here, 1, and then 5 will be here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, let's see what black does. Okay, black did 2 and 4, so it did 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so for me, I have 3, 2, so I could do 1, 2, 3, so I'll do that, and then I could do 1, 2, so I will do that, so 1, 2. Cool, so this is great. I mean, I'll keep playing this game, but what we have here is Claude Sonnet 3.5 coding this entire game for me. I effectively submitted 0 lines of code to create this game. I mostly just described the conceptual nature of backgammon And Sonnet diligently and politely helped me code the entire game, preview it so I could test it, and provided the rules of play. So for any person out there who thought that they can't code a game from scratch, please take Claude.ai for a spin, and I'm sure you'll be pleasantly surprised to the extent of what you can do.